Good day, everyone. Today, I will discuss contemporary issues in management, or the modern challenges and trends that managers face in today's fast-changing business world. As organizations become more global, more digital, and more diverse, the role of managers is becoming more complex and more demanding. The learning of objective of this topic is to identify and explain major contemporary issues in management, analyze their impact on the decision making, leadership, and organizational performance, evaluate real world cases involving modern management challenges, apply management concept to propose strategic solution, appreciate the evolving role of managers in a fast changing global environment. In this topic, I will cover seven major issues. One is globalization, technology and digital transformation, workforce diversity and inclusion, ethics and corporate social responsibility, sustainability and green management, remote work and flexible organization, and the future of management. So let's begin with globalization. Globalization means that businesses are no longer limited to their local markets. Companies now operate in different countries, serving global customers and hiring international talent. This gives organization many opportunities such as access to larger markets, cheaper labor or raw materials, exposure to new ideas and innovation. For example is cheaper labors, mas mababa yung pasahod. Kaya yung mga ibang mostly yung mga iba sa ibang bansa is ini-import nila yung mga products nila dito or minsan dito sila nagbi-business because mas mababa yung pasahod dito sa Pilipinas compare dun sa ibang bansa. Kaya yung karamihan sa mga Chinese mas gusto nilang mag-business dito because of the cheaper labor. However, globalization is also bringing serious challenges, including cultural differences that affect communication, political uh, instability in international branches, currency fluctuation that impact profits. A good example is the McDonald's. Even though it is a global brand, it must adjust to local cultures. In India, they serve vegetarian options. But in the Philippines, they offer rice meal. In Israel, they prefer kosher menu. Um, sa Amerika, mostly kasi yung mga tao doon, 'di ba, hindi sila nagra-rice unlike dito sa Pilipinas. So ang fast food doon, they not offer rice meal. Mostly ano lang, mashed potato, ganun. This show this shows how manager must be balance global consistency with local adoptions, which requires strong cultural awareness and strategic flexibility. So let's proceed to number two, technology and digital transformation. Technology is the one of the biggest forces changing modern management. Today, companies are adopting automation, artificial intelligence, big data analytics, and digital tools to improve operations. Mostly, for the example is, ngayon is, ang nangyayari, lalo na sa mga call center, um, ano na sila ng mga tao. Kumbaga, nagbabawas na sila ng tao because of the AI. mas mas ina-adapt nila yung AI. Kaya maraming mga employees na napapalitan ng AI. But technology brings advantages as increased efficiency, fast decision making, better communication across the world. But it also presents challenges like cybersecurity threats, um, employees struggling to adopt new system, skill gaps that require constant training. One of the example is Amazon, which uses AI to forecast customers' demand, automated warehouses, and recommended products. Managers today rely heavily on data-driven decision instead of institution alone. Because of the rapid digital transformation, managers must ensure their teams stay updated, open to change, and protected from security. Number 3, workforce diversity and inclusion. Workplace today are becoming more diverse in terms of gender, race and culture, race, age and culture, and even work style. Diversity offers many benefits such as more creative ideas, better problem solving, wider perspective, but diversity also bring challenges including miscommunication due to cultural differences. Also unconscious bias, conflict arising from different viewpoints. For the example is Google Invest in diversity program to reduce bias and ensure equal opportunity in hiring and promotion. The role of manager is to create an inclusive environment where differences are respected and used to strengthen teamwork. So for number 4, ethics and corporate social responsibility or CSR. Ethics and CSR are becoming more central to manage because stakeholders, customers, and employees and the public expect companies to be responsible and transparent. Uh, Ethical issues is bribery and corruption, labor exploitation, data privacy, but to build trust, company practices CSR through environmental sustainability project and communication outreach program, ethical sourcing of product. Uh, the good example is in Patagonia. Patagonia leads in environmental sustainability, which is Patagonia use recycle materials and donate profits to environmental causes. That they give 1% for the planet and they give 1% for the total sales of environmental organization. Today, managers are expected to make decisions that are not only profitable but also ethical and socially responsible. For the topic 5, sustainability and green management. Sustainability is no longer optional with climate change and environmental degradation. Business must adopt eco-friendly strategies, but companies are now focusing on reducing carbon emissions, using renewable energy, limiting and waste and pollution. Um, the example is company Tesla, which promotes sustainable transportation through electrical vehicles. But their mission is to align business success with environmental responsibility. Manager must ensure that sustainability become part of company culture and long-term planning. For number 6, remote work and flexible organization. The COVID-19 pandemic transformed how organization works. Remote and hybrid work setups become normal, and managers had to learn how to lead from distance. The benefit of remote work includes flexibility for employee, access to global talents, lower office costs, but also it creates challenges such as monitoring of employee performance, maintaining productivity, preventing isolation or burnout. One of example is Microsoft, which they adopted a hybrid setup where employee can choose between working from home or the office. Managers were trained to lead virtuals, teams, and use collaboration tools effectively. In environmental, communication skill become more important than ever, and manager must learn to um, motivate employees even when they are not physically present. And for our last topic, um, future of management. Given all these modern challenges, what does the future manager looks like? Future manager must be tech savvy, more comfortable using digital tools, and adaptable, able to respond to rapid changes, and also cultural awareness, able to lead diverse team, ethical and sustainability oriented, supportive leaders who promote employee well-being. The future of management emphasizes innovation, collaboration, lifelong learning, balancing profit with ethics and environmental care. In the futures, managers are expected not only to manage tasks but also to inspire people, support mental health, and drive positive change in society. Um, in this topic, contemporary management is shaped by globalization, technology, diversity, ethics, sustainability, and remote work, and the evolving expectation of the modern workplace. This issue challenge managers to become more flexible, more socially responsible, um, and more people-centered. As the business environment continue to change, effective manager must learn continuously and adapt quickly to ensure their organization thrives in a competitive global world. So, yun lang guys. Thank you.